diced chicken. I've got some bacon, which I've just cut up with a pair of scissors. I've got some mushrooms that I haven't bothered cleaning and just put them straight in the bowl. I've got some jalapenos. And I've got a tikka masala. So that's for dinner tonight. Ingredients are just there. There's a bit of butter. I'm just going to cook the mushrooms a bit first. Turn that down a bit. Don't want to burn the butter. So to that, I'm just going to chuck the mushrooms in. Hello everybody, I hope everyone's well and had a fantastic day today. Yeah, so just stirring some mushrooms in here, and I'm going to put the bacon in there as well, just so that the mushrooms soak up a bit of the flavour. So while they're cooking, we'll chuck the bacon in. Want them bits to be crispy. And it should add a bit of flavour. What I'm going to do is I'll put them over there like that. I'm just going to chuck all that chicken in that side there. Cook up a bit. I'll be honest with you, I was about 10 minutes into the cook time on this here, and that's why the chicken looks cooked. But I've noticed that not everyone seems to watch the whole video, so you know, if you want a 20-minute video, I can do a 20-minute video and leave the full video in there rather than cutting bits out of it. But you know, all I'm doing is cooking it, so the flavours are just going into the chicken from the bacon and into the mushrooms, which is lovely. So push the lid. If it's already broken, then it's been opened before. And there's the sauce. I'll wash that out. Turn it down a little bit. It's almost the same colour as my top, that is. Just going to give that a minute or two to reduce down a bit. Some of the fluid. Oh, I nearly missed that. Add some jalapenos in there. I don't know if you people think that I eat too many jalapenos, but they're just, I think they're really sweet and spicy. I really enjoy eating them, to be honest. I think they go well with pretty much anything that I eat, but apart from a few puddings, obviously. Just, I wouldn't say that they'd overpowered the tikka masala, because I think if anything, they actually lifted it up a bit, made it a little bit more spicy, a bit more flavoursome. Yeah, it was a really nice meal. I'll definitely be having it again. I'm gonna have some mixed pepper with it. Turn it down a little bit. So I'd say it's been simmering now for probably about 7 or 8 minutes, I suppose. Yeah, looks about done. Is it rice? Just make a bit of a part in there. Like a ladle, but not really. Just flick it in there, eh? Flick it in there. And I might even chuck a bit more sauce on it. That's a bit better. It's a bit more like it, isn't it? I've just got some fresh bread. Just go around the outside, just to mop it up. So there you go, dinner tonight. Tikka masala, bacon, mushrooms, chicken, jalapenos, and some pepper rice. Was it pepper rice? It was pepper rice, wasn't it? Mixed pepper rice. Yeah. Is it the same colour as my top? It's definitely out there, isn't it? Bit of cheese. I actually found this really delicious to eat. I thoroughly enjoyed eating it. If I got it at a restaurant, I'd be over the moon with it, because it tasted really nice. It wasn't too oily, not too greasy. It was just right. If you like it, like it. Or better still, have a go at cooking it yourself. Let me know what you think. I'm going to tuck in. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye.